So we're going to see the tools for modifying those elements. So the first tool we need to check is the Navisworks SwitchBack, which goes installed when you get Navisworks 2018. You click on Navisworks SwitchBack and now it's open. So if you go to the Navisworks interface, select an item and you have the item tools. At the beginning you have the SwitchBack. Select SwitchBack, and what it will do is it will track the element you're looking for on a selection. Just gonna go for a selection box. That will go like that. And now you can edit what's happening with that element. So for example, I'm just gonna move this one section box. That's from the linked file. That's the element that is clashing. So for example, if I wanted to modify this, I can move my structural elements but not my linked elements. So it may work when you're working with your file and you're having information from the Navisworks file. The only thing that it's required is that you need to export the properly file path, because what will happen is that if we select, for example, the sanitary hydraulic and we get the properties, it says that the source file is structural. So if we try to do it on the hydraulic sanitary file with this source file, it won't find the element since the source file is different. So you need to export each single file from its original file, so you can get the reference properly done, and then you can use the SwitchBack. So it's a good tool if you're creating and you have not too many clashes, but that can help you find where they are on a big project and to solve them. So let's see another way of finding those elements.